Jai Shankar everyone! Did you watch the last episode? Did you learn what pen, pencil, eraser, ruler are all called in Sanskrit? I had given you a puzzle to solve. You had to sort some articles into 4 sets. Let us see if you have sorted them correctly. The articles given to you were Kunchika, Kartari, Kridanakam, Chamasaha, Chakalehaha, Upanetram. Now, what was there in the 4 sets? And on what basis were the sets made? Let's begin with set 1. All the names in this set end in the sound ah. The followed by the ha. Listen. Laddukaha, Kandolaha, Chashakaha, Marjakaha, and therefore Chamasaha and Chakalehaha go into set 1. Set 2 has Phalam, Jalam, Pustakam and Chitram. All the names end in the sound followed by the When spoken together, they make the sound So, Kridanakam and Upanetram belong to set 2. Set 3 is made of Chakrika, Sthalika, Petika and Mapika. All these words end in the sound A. So, Kunchika goes into set 3. Finally, set 4 consists of Kupi, Ankani, Lekhani, Khati. All these words end in the sound E. Needless to say, Kartari will be a part of set 4. So, if you have sorted them like this, well done! To summarize, we can say that the sets were made on the basis of the ending sound of each name. Now let's go on to the next level. Agre gacchama. Yuyam pashyata shrunuta anuvadata cha. Eshaha Chamasaha. Eshaha Marjakaha. Eshaha Varnalepaha. Etat Pustakam. Etat Phalam. Etat Katoram. Esha Churika. Esha Mapika. Esha Tulika. Esha अंकनी. एषा कर्तरी. एषा वर्णपात्री. Did you notice? Each time I pointed to the item to say, this is a spoon, this is a book, this is a knife. I used different words. I used eshaha with all the words which ended in the sound ah. I used etat with the words which ended in the sound and I used esha with all the words that ended in a and e. आम्ही आमची गलंकश म्हणता ती हो उंडो, ही चाकली, हे उदक, हो प्यालो, ही वाटी, हे ताट. तशीची एषः, एषा, एतत् हे तीन शब्द संस्कृत भाषेंत असती. आत खंच वेळार खंच शब्द वापरचो हें तुमी आयकून शिकतली. कशी आमची गल भास सुद्धा आयकून शिकिली तशीची. So now let's do a quick revision of these three words with some more articles. Etat pustakam. एषः मार्जकः. एषा अंकनी. एषा मापिका. एषः वर्णलेपः. एषा तूलिका. एषा वर्णपात्री. एतत् फलम्. एषा छुरिका. एतत् कटोरम्. एषः दीपः. एषा वर्तिका. एतत् तैलम्. And that brings us to your homework for today. From eshaha, esha, etat, choose the correct one which you will use while pointing to the following. Kadmalaha, Suchi, Sutram, Kartari, Bijam, Mrittika, Kundika, Vrikshakah. While I was planning your assignment for today and I chose this seed, I remembered a Hindi poem which is taught in many schools. I do not know who has composed this poem, but it is a very sweet poem which tells the story of a tiny seed. Listen to the same poem translated into Sanskrit. Ekam laghu bijam bhumyamasti suptam. Ekam laghu bijam bhumyamasti suptam. दिवानिशन्निद्राति तत्रैव प्रगाढम् दिवानिशन्निद्राति तत्रैव प्रगाढम् पर्जन्यस्य कणानि पतन्ति भूमितले पर्जन्यस्य कणानि पतन्ति भूमितले निद्रालु लघुबीजं किञ्चित् सरति रे निद्रालु लघुबीजं किञ्चित् सरति रे ततः सूर्यप्रकाशः प्रसरति सर्वतः ततः सूर्यप्रकाशः प्रसरति सर्वतः सूर्यो वदति बीजं शीघ्रम् उत्तिष्ठ सूर्यो वदति बीजं शीघ्रम् उत्तिष्ठ हे बीज शीघ्रम् उत्तिष्ठ जृम्भते लघुबीजं त्यजति स्वप्नसुखं जृम्भते लघुबीजं त्यजति स्वप्नसुखम् अत्र च तत्र च दृष्ट्वा भवति प्रफुल्लितम् अत्र च तत्र च दृष्ट्वा भवति प्रफुल्लितम् अचिरात् लघुबीजं भवति विशालवृक्षः अचिरात् लघुबीजं भवति विशालवृक्षः तनोति छायां मोदं च नूनं स्वं परितः तनोति छायां मोदं च नूनं स्वं परितः That was the song of a tiny seed. Ekam laghu bijam. You know what? You can try this fun activity. You must be getting lemons at home. Take a lemon seed and sow it in soil. Keep the soil moist by watering it daily. Give it enough sunlight and fresh air. You will require patience because the lemon seed likes to sleep for a long time. It takes anything between 2 to 6 weeks for the lemon seed to germinate and sprout. But if you have patience and look after it, then a lemon plant will grow from it. And you may not get lemons because it takes many years for it to grow into a tree. But the small lemon plant in your home garden can attract the citrus swallowtail butterflies and become a host to their caterpillars. You will get to watch the entire life cycle of a butterfly right in your home garden. I have tried it. It's fun. And before I take your leave, let me tell you about 2 key people who work behind the scenes for the Kallolaha videos. Their names deserve a mention because without them, these videos cannot be made. My heartfelt thanks to Nitin Shingari Ma'am of Shri Chitrapur Mutt's Anushravas Media Center, who does the wonderful editing for every episode. And thank you to Tanmay Mudur Ma'am for handling the camera and for all his patience and support throughout the making of these videos. I'll see you soon again in the next episode. Meanwhile, do your homework and be ready with the answers. Punar Milama. Jai Shankar.